Hi Rakesh. So it's good that you have arranged your own still life and it's perfectly arranged. The shadows are moving back and I think you did well as well. Now, I think drawing, understanding values, shadow shape is not an issue with you. Your drawing is good, your values are good. Now let's move on to the next step, which is understanding color scheme. So what happens here is this is a red glass, and when I see the value and color of shadow shape, and when I compare it with your image here, your drawing, I feel that your shadows got a bit too dark, right? So you need to understand what is the foreground. So foreground is a white sheet which has a yellow light falling on it, thus it has turned a bit yellow, and then there is a shadow shape. So shadows are transparent. That means that you can see the local color of the sheet, yet it has a transparent layer of shadow falling on top of it. So you need to mix a similar color as in the shadow so that the sheet underneath or the foreground makes sense in terms of shadow color. I hope I'm clear. So you need to mute this down, so remove some of the darker pastel, add white, add some yellow ochre, maybe burnt sienna, some of those colors are needed here. Same goes for this. Now you have three different, see you did very correct for the shadow which is falling on the glass here. So the shadow has a bit of orange, yellow, and the one which is falling on the ground is of a darker value, right? So these are two different values that you have, colors that you have added on the shadow, yet the value is same. So I want you to do the same with other shadows. Secondly, in color theory, we did a complementary chart. So what happens is the shadow color always have a bit of complementary color. This is a red object. The complementary of red is green. I'm not sure, but you need to train your eyes, like whether you can see a bit of green, but I think there is a bit of green here, just a tiny bit. So here the difference is between what you know and what you see. So you know that the shadow shapes has some complementary color, but not always that you'll be able to see it. You need to train your eyes to imagine it, to visualize it, and to add it. So I would suggest yellow ochre I believe it's a yellow which has a little greenish tinge to it, so that will work. And same goes for, this is not purplish blue color around here for the shadow shape of the orange object. So that is like, something that I'm pushing you towards an advanced level. And I think you are doing good.